Welcome to our tech series. Today, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of computer hardware. Specifically, we'll be discussing how to create RAM memory. RAM, or random access memory, is a crucial component of any computer system. It temporarily stores data that the CPU needs to access quickly. Let's break down the steps involved in creating RAM. Cut to animation of silicon wafer. Step 1. Silicon wafer production. The journey of RAM starts with a silicon wafer. Silicon is a semiconductor, which means it can conduct electricity under certain conditions. These wafers are sliced from a large, single crystal of silicon. Cut to visuals of photolithography process. Step 2. Photolithography. Next, the silicon wafer undergoes photolithography. A photoresist material is applied to the wafer, and a UV light projects the circuit pattern onto it. This process creates microscopic structures necessary for the RAM's functionality. Cut to animation of transistors and capacitors. Step 3. Transistors and capacitors formation. RAM consists of millions or even billions of tiny transistors and capacitors. Transistors act like switches, and capacitors store electrical charges. Together, they store the binary data as ones and zeros. Cut to visuals of etching process. Step 4. Etching and doping. After photolithography, etching removes unwanted silicon to create the circuit pathways. Doping involves adding impurities to the silicon to change its electrical properties, allowing precise control over how the silicon conducts electricity. Cut to visuals of layering process. Step 5. Layering and metallization. Multiple layers of material are added and patterned to build up the complete circuit. Metallization involves adding metal connections to allow electricity to flow between the components. Cut to visuals of packaging process. Step 6. Packaging. The completed RAM chips are cut from the wafer and packaged into protective casings. These casings have pins or connectors to integrate the RAM with the computer's motherboard. Step 7. Testing. Every RAM module undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it functions correctly. Tests check for speed, capacity, and reliability. Only the modules that pass these tests are shipped out to consumers. Cut to visuals of RAM installation in a computer. Step 8. Installation. Finally, the RAM is installed in a computer. It slots into the RAM slots on the motherboard, ready to provide the CPU with quick access to data. Cut to visuals of computer in use. And there you have it, a brief overview of how RAM is created. From silicon wafers to a crucial component in your computer, RAM plays a vital role in the speed and efficiency of modern computing. Outro music and visuals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious.